Nothing is worse than a sagging headliner, and everyone hates it, and everyone hates to do the job to fix it, and it's very time consuming if it's not expensive. If you do the DIY, it's probably not very expensive, but it's time consuming. But today we're going to try the easier method for the first time, because I have done the comprehensive fix before on my CLK. Hello and welcome to Benz Addiction. Can this $5 pack from eBay or AliExpress save me 2 days of time to remove, recover, and install back the headliner of my Mercedes or not? And if yes, it can be applied to any Mercedes or any car. So let's try it and see if it works. So stay tuned, it's going to be an interesting one. So basically what we have here are 40 snap buttons that are covered with a fabric close to what we have like a Mercedes headliner. If you haven't seen some of these on eBay or AliExpress, kind of very sharp and self-screwing type of screw. And it goes like that. And basically this week I did not receive any parts that I purchased for the SL500, so that project needs to wait for a longer time. Therefore, we are going to focus on this ML 2010 with a sagging roof. This is going to be my wife's ML, and she's going to unfortunately divorce the CLK, which has been so reliable and so lovely. So the CLK is unfortunately for sale. It's mechanically perfect. Please feel free to send me an email if you want that CLK and if you are in Brisbane or in Australia. So basically there are two issues with this ML. First, the little fading and the clear coat coming off. And then we have a big problem with the sagging roof. It's okay-ish kind of at the front, but the back is really sagging. Okay, here is the snap button on the fabric of the headliner, as you can see. And this is how it looks at the moment. It's pretty bad, actually. We need to have clean tools and clean hands, otherwise wife is going to kill me. I have decided to start from the rear. I'm using this ruler over here to put the fabric back where it belongs to, so I don't want to stretch it and make, you know, wrinkles all around. Of course, it's not going to be perfect, but let's try. This is the worst case scenario. There is no adhesion point at any point at all. So let's see how it will be. You can also use a laser level. That makes the job probably easier. First one. I'm not going to care so much about the measurements of the distance between the snap buttons, but I will try my best. It goes in very easily. You don't have to push it very hard. You can use a normal screwdriver as well, Phillips one. So I have decided to use this as my ruler. I'll go ahead and put another one in 20 centimeter, 8 inches intervals. At 8 inches interval or 20 centimeter, I'm going to begin with, see how it goes from there. Guys, wish me luck. Especially when you're doing this to your wife's car. So it's so stressful. Let's put the snap buttons fabrics on top of them and see how it looks. That's the way it looks for now. Have a look from the side. Not too bad. I'll probably add a few more behind the sunroof as well. It definitely is a very different style of headliner. Looks like old school American cars, I guess, or like old school Mercedes, like you're talking about 1955. But you can do this in half an hour. You don't need so much preparation or anything, or not even so much calculation. You see, it is not possible to put them at a certain interval because this headliner is not equal size at different points. It's smaller at some points and larger at some points, and at some points it will need a few more snap buttons. And here is the front view. Okay, I added a few more to the back of the sunroof, except that area on the left, which I have some wrinkles, and I'm going to undo those and redo them. It looks decent. But the whole process and what I did to this car, of course, if wife doesn't like this, I'm going to spend time and throw out this headliner and recover it properly. Otherwise, this is a temporarily good solution that holds the headliner fabric to its place. And it's a different style too. Let me know your comments in the comment section. And as usual, thanks so much for watching, liking, subscribing. Have a great day. Enjoy your Mercedes. Bye.
Phil.